Hello, welcome back to Miss Diaz RD channel with me, Miss Diaz. In this video, I want to share you a bit about what is descriptive paragraph. Okay, I have a quote here on the cover, bring picture to words. Okay, for me, that's descriptive paragraph or descriptive writing. As we also see from the screen, okay, when you want to make a descriptive paragraph, it means that you try to describe something, like you make a sketch of something through words. Okay, what you see, that then that's the thing that you need to describe from the thing that you see. You smell, you touch, and yeah, the thing that you can use your five senses. And then, okay, for the definition of descriptive paragraph based on Semah and Fumiseh, a descriptive paragraph explains how someone or something looks or feel. Okay, this kind of paragraph try to explain how someone or something looks or feels. Okay, supported by Osima and Hag in 2007, descriptive writing appeals to the senses. Okay, senses, not only looks and feel. So this is senses. So it tells how something looks, feels, smell, taste, and or sounds. Okay. So Osima and Hag give you a detailed definition of descriptive paragraph or descriptive writing. Okay, can you imagine? You try to write something, yeah, a paragraph, writes a paragraph, choose a topic, and then try to describe the topic based on your senses. You try to write how it looks like, how it tastes, smell, or sound. Yeah, that's a descriptive paragraph or descriptive writing. Okay, Osima and Hag also underline this thing. A good description is a word picture. A good description is a word picture. The reader can imagine the object, place, or person in his or her mind. Okay, it means that when someone read your paragraph or your descriptive writing, the readers can imagine, oh, the thing that they read from your writing or your paragraph. Okay, when you can do that, it means that you have a good descriptive paragraph. Okay, let's start from how to make the topic sentence of a descriptive paragraph. When you want to make a descriptive paragraph, the topic sentence should name the topic. Okay, you should have the topic in that topic sentence. What's the topic? And then after that, don't forget the controlling idea. The controlling idea should give the overall impression of the place, thing, person you are describing. Okay. For example, the topic of the first sentence, topic sentence here, my bedroom at home. Okay. The controlling idea is my refuge from the outside world. So there is a topic that that want to be described, and then after that, their impression of that topic. Okay. For example, the second, the campus of our school is like a small city. Okay. Or the next, the cafeteria at lunchtime is the school social center. The cafeteria at lunchtime is the school social center. Okay, the topic is cafeteria at the lunchtime, and then the controlling idea is the school social center. Okay, you try to give your impression toward the cafeteria. What do you think about that cafeteria at the lunchtime? In your opinion, the cafeteria at the lunchtime is the school social center. It means that in that paragraph, you will describe why you said like that, why you give that impression toward the cafeteria, and then after that you will give the description. Because of this one, you can see this, you can smell that, you can see how many people in cafeteria, and many things, and so on and so forth. Then we go to the supporting sentences. When we talk about supporting sentences, we talk about the meat of your paragraph. Okay, the topic sentence is the skin, and this one is the meat. Yeah, the content of your paragraph. In a descriptive paragraph, the more details you include, the more clearly your reader will imagine what you are describing. So put as many as possible information, the details of the things, person, place that you want to describe in supporting sentences to support your topic sentence. Okay, your details should appeal to 5 senses. Okay, like before, touch, smells, yeah, see, and so on and so forth. 5 senses. They should tell your reader how something looks, smells, sounds, feels, and tastes. And you can also write about color, size, shapes, others, noises, and textures. Okay, the details of the thing that you want to describe. Okay, that should be your supporting sentences of descriptive paragraph. Okay. Okay. We go to language features of descriptive paragraph. There are 2 main language features that you need to notice in descriptive paragraph. The first one, the use of special order. Use of special order here is to organize a description. Special order is the arrangement of items in order by space. Back to front, left to right, top to bottom, far to near, and so on. For example, you want to describe a room or a place. From what point you want to describe that place? From the gate to, and then enter the house, for example, and then enter the main room, and then after that the toilet or something. Okay, you choose from what side will you describe that things. Okay, your beginning, how you begin your description. Okay, for example, you want to talk about glasses. Okay, you start from the frames. You can start from the frame, or you can slightly directly talk about the glasses, or maybe you can talk about other thing, the materials, maybe the price. Okay, you should choose in what point of view, in what position will you start the description. Okay, that's why you need to have a good spatial order when you want to describe something. Okay, to make your description interesting. And the second thing that you need to pay attention to is the use of adjectives. Okay, when we want to describe something, it means that we need adjective. Adjectives are words that tell us how things look, feel, taste, sound, and smell. Okay, you give description by using adjectives. Okay, so the use of adjective in descriptive writing is really common, and we really need adjectives. So you need to know which word is belong to adjective, and which adjective that you need to give details toward the things that you want to describe. Okay. Okay, let's go one by one. Commonly, people describe about place. Okay, how to describing place. Okay, using preposition. Commonly, people use preposition to tell about how a space is organized. For example, in front of something, there is something. In back of something, behind something. Okay, you use this common preposition to describe a place. And then after that, maybe I have some question that can help you to write your descriptive paragraph in form of place. Okay, you can ask, where is the place. Maybe you can talk about the location, address, how big is it, how big is that, how many meters square or something gitu. How warm or cold is the place, how does the place makes you feel, why you feel so, and then what things can you see in this place. Maybe you can see so many chairs and then tables, maybe blackboard, whiteboard. Okay, maybe you want to describe about classroom, maybe that the things that you can see. And then what colors do you see? Maybe you can see the wall is pink or something. Maybe you can talk about many things toward that place. Okay. Next, describing person. The previously in describing place, you have the sample of the paragraph there. You can read it and then try to make slightly the same organization like before. That's a good example. This is the second example. Also, you can read about how to describe person here. The common adjective for describing person, there are two commonly, adjective about personality and adjective about physical characteristic. If we talk about personality, we can use happy, satisfied, relaxed, exciting, nervous, angry, serious, sad, and so forth, and so on and so forth. Okay, and etc. And if you want to talk about physical appearance of people, you can say big, or be careful using this, because it can be body shaming, but sometimes we need it to describe someone to be real. Okay. Also, there are some questions that you can use to describe, to guide you to describe something. Okay. You can first ask yourself, who is the person you want to describe, and then what does the person do? What does he or she look like? How are his or her personalities? How does he or she makes other feels? Yeah, give your impression about the person that you want to describe. The third is you can describe a thing also. Okay, beside place, person, also thing. This is a common thing. When you lost something, then you ask someone, you try to describe the thing that you want to find. Okay, you use this kind of paragraph. Okay, when you want to describe thing, you use adjective, of course. You can talk about size, form, colors, weight, part, function, materials, and so on and so forth, related to the thing that you want to describe. And then also you can ask yourself some question related to the thing, to write down your descriptive paragraph related to thing. For example, what is that thing? How is the size? How is the form? How is the color? How is the weight? What is the function of that thing? And so on and so forth. Okay, now I want you to have an action. Okay, previously I've give you example of paragraph about place and then a paragraph about person. And now I want you to make a paragraph related to this picture. Okay, please describe this thing on a paragraph. Okay, what is this thing? This yellow thing. Do you know yellow pages? What is yellow pages? Try to describe it in a paragraph. Okay, maybe you can share a paragraph on the comment box below so that everybody can see. Oh, this is how other people write down the paragraph describing this yellow pages, and how others, and so on and so forth. So we can do kind of self-reflection toward others writing. Okay, maybe that's all from me. See you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe this channel to support me to create another good video. Okay, that's all. See you.